I woke up last Saturday morning and couldn't get the idea of French toast out of my head. Some of my favorite memories were of me sitting in front of the TV watching Saturday morning cartoons and eating French toast. So, here's my recipe for French toast, just like Mom never made. First, we're going to add our 2 large eggs to our mixing bowl. There's one. And there's two. Then we're going to add our half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix to combine all the ingredients. Then move the egg mixture into a pie pan, just to make it easier to dip the bread slices into. Yeah, you can mix all the ingredients in a pie pan, but I didn't really think about that until after I had everything already mixed in the mixing bowl. I mean, that's why they call it a mixing bowl, right? Now let's go ahead and add the butter to the pan and get the pan heating up on a nice medium heat. And can we please turn on the stove cam and put it in the bottom right hand corner, please? Thanks for the slow fading on the camera. Very nice. As you can see, we have spared no expense in bringing you the best in visual effects technologies. Now clean up our space a little and realize we forgot the maple syrup. There we go. That's better. By now our butter has melted a little and we can swirl it around to cover the rest of the skillet. Time to dredge our bread in the egg mixture and get it into the pan. If you're using fresh bread, don't let it soak for too long. Just a quick dip on both sides is all you need. If you're using stale bread, which is good too, soak it for a few seconds longer. Then carefully place the bread slices in your already heated skillet and let them fry. Do a little more cleanup and get your plate ready to receive that French toast goodness and place it in the middle of the camera frame. Keep adjusting. Move it over. There we go. Right there. Nope, right there. After about 2 minutes, you can get impatient and start checking to see if they're done yet. Nope, not done yet. Then you wait another 60 seconds and impatiently check again. Still not done yet. Wait another 60 seconds and impatiently check again. Notice how when I pushed it, it was a little firm and not wobbly anymore? That's perfect. Now we can flip them to the other side and patiently wait another 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, carefully move them to your plate and add the confectioner's sugar and gently place each individual piece of fresh fruit. Then get really impatient and just dump it all on. Then Then you can add the maple syrup. Okay, let's give it a taste test. As expected, it's delicious. What more can I say? It's crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, got a nice buttery taste, fresh fruit, and enough sugar to get you moving on a slow Saturday morning. It's the complete package. Please comment below if you liked this video. Also, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Please give me the motivation to make more of these types of videos that I just love to make. And thanks for watching.